took off one cover, added the wire behind there along the headliner. Around here, I had enough space to route it with the green all the way down behind the blue insulating foam, all the way down there. Here's the cover for the forward collision camera. Just 4 clips you pull down. Back in here, go into the green, took one bolt off right here, or clip to put back in. Green wire, power harness, all the way down in this look it in, came out that hole, and it's gonna go over there, just excess slack, and come down following the red wire now. It'll come out there to the fuse box.